Hey guys, it's your Simone back with another video. And today you see my natural hair out. Y'all never seen my natural hair out before, but I'm giving you guys natural hair, thin hair, period, okay? But today I'm going to be installing this wig right here. But I'm going to dye it. I'm going to water dye it because I can't wear this hair to work because it's kind of pinkish, okay? And it's not in code, so I can't do that, okay? So, come with me while I install my wig, step by step. Okay guys, so, I went ahead and I dyed the hair. So this is what it came out like. It's kind of like a burgundy type of red. Hopefully in the sun it's not that bad because at my job we can't have a natural hair color. So I mean, this is kind of dark. It's giving like cherry a little bit. So hopefully I don't get clocked for it tomorrow. But I'm gonna give y'all a full 360. So this is what the front looks like. I could do the middle part, whatever I choose, but this is what the hair looks like. So that's what it looks like, and I'm kind of digging the color. Now hopefully I can install this. I literally hate lace fronts, but I'm gonna give it a whirl and hopefully it comes out good because I actually want to wear this wig. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it
and
yeah. So first things first is the braid down. So I'm gonna do some cornrows in my hair. I think I'm just gonna do 6. I literally blow dried and then straightened my hair a little bit to make it easier. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to braid my hair down, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with that.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, is so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, so it's time to take over the band. And hopefully nothing sticks. I had to change out my band, but yeah, let's go ahead and see how this goes.
Far from my trust in you, what will you
Alrighty, so this is what the hair is looking like. Everything is down.
I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Just a little flip over action right now. Your girl is so tired. But this is the end result of this wig install. I hope you guys like this video. I'm a beginner to installing lace fronts, so don't clock me, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.